Battery disconnect switch is a device that automatically disconnects a vehicle's battery after a collision. When the battery disconnect switch is turned off, the whole car power is cut off, which can prevent the leakage of electricity from the battery. The battery disconnect switch is located near your battery inside the battery compartment, but it may also be in a nearby maintenance bay. A faulty battery disconnect switch will cause leakage of electricity from the car battery, or draining. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard. Stop driving if you find these symptoms in your car, and repair your vehicle immediately. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.